In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create automated reports in Jotform Tables. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Tables. Open the table you want to create a report for by clicking View Table. At the top of the table, click plus New tab, then select Reports and click Next. Choose the table or form you want to use as the data source, then click Next. Select your preferred report layout. Choose Compact to display multiple charts on one page, Extended for one chart per page, or Blank if you want to build a custom report from scratch. Click Next to generate the report. Once the report is created, click Preview to review your charts and make sure everything looks correct. If you're happy with the report, click Share at the top of the page. You can copy a shareable link, generate an embed code, or download the report as a PDF. That's how to create automated reports in Jotform Tables. Thanks for watching.